Hello and welcome to another video tutorial from Easyok. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to activate Windows Watermark permanently. There's this watermark at the bottom right corner. It's a watermark for Windows. I'm going to show you how to remove it. So I hope you're going to enjoy watching the video, and I hope it's going to be helpful. It's one of the easiest way of removing the watermark. So kindly subscribe to our channel, and remember to like and share this video. So let's get to it. First, you have to right click on your desktop and go to display settings. Then go to notification and actions. Here, scroll down a bit. I'll just expand the window. Then there's this option of we need to turn off this option here. Yes, we need to uncheck. So then I'm going to close it just like that. Then I'm going to restart my PC again. So my PC is restarting, so I have to wait for it to. We have restarted the PC and now the watermark is gone. Yeah, I hope this tip was helpful. Leave a comment below at the comment section. Let me know if this tip was helpful. Also, don't forget to share this video, like, and also subscribe to our channel. Till next time, have a nice time.